Minister, we have a great opportunity where our locals can work on the cruise ships. She said this is in collaboration with the Minister of Justice and the then Minister of Tiat. Guess what? My eyes then light up and I said, let's get it done. I said, Miss Dross, I leave this in your hands. Sometimes I don't know if that's a good thing knowing Miss Dross. But I can say we are here today. We are here today. And this is a blessing. And to the entire Nest team, to Ms. Dross, I say thank you. To the Honorable Minister of Justice, I say thank you. Thank you for communication. Thank you for exemplifying teamwork and the ability and trusting in your partner. To the Honorable Member of Parliament, Ms. Ludmila De Weaver, when I came into office, she had so much excitement. I want to do home port, and I want my people to work on the cruise ships. I want my people to dance on the cruise ships. I want to sell art on the cruise ship. I said, okay, one thing at a time. And I guess your enthusiasm sparked something in Ms. Richardson, who in turn sparked something in Ms. Dross, who sparked something in me. So it all worked out for the benefit